find yourself throwing away watermelon rind, please don't. I'm going to show you how to candy it, and this is a recipe that you can make throughout the year since watermelon is available year-round. I'm going to cut the watermelon rind by removing the green peel and all of the flesh from the inside, then cut it into 3-inch by 1/4-inch pieces. I mix the salt with the water and I soak the rind overnight at room temperature. Drain the rind, rinse it well, and then cook it in fresh water until it's tender, which should take about 5 minutes. Drain it and set aside. Next, I'm going to put the vinegar and the spices and sugar into a pot and boil it for 5 minutes. I'll add the rind and then boil this until the rind is clear. I remove it from the heat and let it stand at room temperature until it's cool. After I drain the rind, I'm going to place it onto a sugar-coated pan and cover it with more sugar. Let this set out for a day at room temperature uncovered. The next day, shake off all the excess sugar and store it in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. You can use the candied watermelon rind as a garnish for cocktails and drinks. You can dip it into chocolate for a sweet, sour, and salty snack, or you can use it as a garnish for cakes, tarts, cupcakes, and cookies.